Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the perfect summer glow up tips and tricks on how to get that summer glow not using a lot of makeup. If you guys don't know who I am, hello, my name is Melissa. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn that bell on for notifications. Alright guys, if you want to know the perfect summer glow up tips and tricks makeup for your face, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so for the first thing that we're going to do for our face is number one, for the summertime, you always must stay hydrated. So meaning drinking water while you're doing your makeup, but we're also going to hydrate our face. So the first thing I did was I put on moisturizer. So since I'm moisturized already, I'm going to be mixing the MAC Strobe cream, and this is in the PeachLite, again to give us that glow. I'm going to mix this with the coverfx drops, and these are in Celestial, and then I'm going to mix it with my foundation, and this is for me, I feel like that the Nars Sante Fe Sheer Glow. I feel like it is blendable, it has medium coverage, and you can build it up. So I'm going to mix these three products together, and I'll show you how much I'm going to put on. So we're going to put on this much of the cream, the strobe cream. We're going to take our Nars Glow, and we're going to put about this much on. Okay. And the coverfx drops. So again, this has to be a very light hand, because I remember the first time I got these drops, I put on like 6 drops in my foundation, and I was lighting up the room. So we're going to do one, and then we're going to do one more. So about 2 drops. 2. Okay. Alright, so we're going to mix these. Do you guys see the glow already? I'm telling you, I swear by these drops. And you know what it is? When I'm like right now, it just feels like my skin's very moisturized. Doesn't even feel like I have makeup on. Alright guys, now next what we're going to do for underneath our eyes for the summertime, you want to hide any dark circles. You want to brighten underneath your eyes and also your eyes as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever. This is the Lift Concealer. This is our Lift Concealer. And I'm gonna put this on first because I see that it really brightens underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna just take a little dab. Alright, so let's put it underneath our eyes first. Now I'm gonna just dab this with my finger lightly, because I actually know where my bags underneath my eyes are, and it's always right here. And it doesn't have to be perfect the way how you tap it. Like it could look like this. Doesn't matter, because we're going to fix that with our concealer. Alright, now I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and I'm going to be using 365. This is Cashew. And again guys, this is like actually one of the best drugstore concealers I have used. So we're going to make a very light application right here, and I think I'm going to put some over here, and here, and here. Alright. Doesn't even look like I'm wearing concealer, right? Alright, so now what we're going to do, since we put our foundation and our concealer on, I am going to put the powder, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. I'm going to put this all over my face. Just again, because it is hot today. but also this blends everything out. Alright, we're going to use the Kylie. This is the pressed bronzing powder in Toasty. Again, this is like one of my favorite bronzers that I have purchased like in the last couple months. So, okay, we're going to take quite much. Now we're going to carve out our cheekbones. And you know what's funny? I always do bronzer like twice. Like this is like my first application. I love bronzer. Look how beautiful it looks. And you know what it is? It looks so nice with the glowing foundation underneath. Make sure you add this to your hairline, because there's times like where I've seen people like where they put bronzer on and like there's a total big white line right here. So make sure you're getting it into your scalp. See? I'm not going to be wearing like a heavy amount of eyeshadow, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Kylie Jenner bronzer and I'm going to just do a lightweight, just a dab of my finger. I'm going to just put that bronzing powder on my eyelid, because we're going to do like a shimmery eyeshadow or like a pigment on top of this. Guys, I'm so sorry about my nails. I've been working with bath bombs, so it kind of ruined my nail polish. This was the nail polish that I used when we went to the Bahamas, so it was like literally about 2 weeks ago. Instead of heavy eyeshadow, we're going to use the Lorac Tantalizer. This is, yeah, Tantalizer. This is in the Baked Bronzer. I don't even know if they have this anymore. I bought this like such a long time ago. And again, I'm going to dab this with my finger. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to go in, this is tan, this is the pigment color tan. Now I actually, what I do here is I just put a little bit in the lid. So I'm going to just dab my finger in the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to just spray real quick. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to just put this right in the middle of our eyelid. This is so pretty. Look at that shine. So compared to this eye and this eye. Alright. So again, you just put very little on the lid. And then we're going to spray our finger. Dab it on your eyelid. And now since my lashes are curled, we're going to use the Voluminous Mascara. I'm going to be using the Lorac Chroma. I use this in my Pillow Talk tutorial. I'm going to go back with the bronzer. Remember I told you that I always go twice sometimes with bronzer? So we're going to use the Kylie Jenner one again. We'll go really quick. Alright, now we're going to go with the Lorac Chroma blush. Oh my god. Oh, I love this blush. I love this blush so much. Look at this. Right. I think I have a little bit more color here than here, but we're gonna, you know what, we're gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna use the Anastasia. This is the Beverly Hills Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna mix the two shades Summer and Moonstone. Alright, first we're gonna use this heavy brush by Sephora. And we're gonna just put this radiance, and then we're going to use another brush. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, this is Love Beautifully, this is an IT Cosmetics brush. This is the IT Beauty 4 Ultra. So I'm going to just mix again the Summer and Moonstone. Tap it out. Put my MAC Fix Plus and just dab this and blend it. And then I'm actually going to go where my cheeks are, because I see that there's like no more product on the brush. Like I really want that beautiful heavy glow today. All right, next side. I have more product on this one, so make sure. Ugh, a little piece of hair. I always have that little piece of hair sticking out. Alright. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just blend this all in with my beauty blender. So here's how it looks up close. You definitely see that glow. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. This is called How Many Carats. So I'm actually going to put it right over here on the corners of my eyes. We're going to put a lot on this little brush, and then we're going to use our MAC Fix Spray. Sorry, why am I fumbling today? Alright, so here the outer corners. I'm going to put just a little bit underneath, like where the starting of your lower lashes, like going in just a little bit. Okay, and a little bit more. That just really marks it, right? How many of you guys have How Many Carats by Fenty Beauty? If you do like this video, let me know how you guys like this. I don't use this that much, but again, like with my Dewy makeup tutorials and my, I always use this. Okay, and we're gonna stop right to like where our eyelashes start to come in. gorgeous. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick a pink neutral lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is the Nars Sex Machine. It's actually one of my favorite lip colors. Like, you could use this as an entire lipstick color, but I'm going to use this, actually, yeah, I think I'm going to use this as my entire, like, put this on top of my entire lips. Alright. So after this lip liner, again, I want it to be like very neutral. It's like not even your, it's like you're not even wearing lipstick. This is L'Oreal Nude Balm in Rose Elixir. So I'm going to put that on top of the Nars lip liner. You know what it is? Because I want to make, again, my lips shine and make them look dewy. If you really want to make like make them look standing out more, I'm gonna put the NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair. We're gonna use the KKW eyeliner in Black 1. Literally like just a small amount. That's it. And then we're gonna just put mascara on our lower lashes. One more time with our brush to smooth everything out. Alright, now let's use the Fix Plus. Shake it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten my hair. So you know what? I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so all I did was I straightened my hair. I hope you got some tips and tricks from this tutorial. I always love creating glowy makeup tutorials. So if you like those, subscribe to my channel. I think I've said it a million times on this video to subscribe. So I'll be back with another video very shortly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!